All right. Okay. Oh, no. Oh, his leg. His right leg. Ay, 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 ay. I didn't put it in slow-mo. Did not put it in slow-mo. There's that panic that you normally get. Check your leg. Check your leg. Mechanism of injury will indicate the right leg. There it is. You see how he touched it?
Huh?
You good?
Yeah.
Good. You good?
Hold up.
Yeah, do it. Do a breather. Do a check.
At least all right.
Yeah.
What are you doing there, man? So when we look at this, and I know it's slow motion, he gets closer and closer, but why do you think this vehicle was right there? Why did we hit that vehicle? I mean, this person right here, maybe they're all traveling at a certain speed. This person right here is turning in, so this person has to slow down. And then maybe this person right here, this motorcycle rider, wasn't paying enough attention. So he's in white stage, guys. I don't think he was zoned in completely. So if you're not zoned in, you're not going to be able to understand, is your speed a bad thing? Is your positioning good? Maybe you're zoned out because you're like, this is easy stuff. Complacency could be a part of it. Ooh, baby, if you're not paying attention, this is going to happen. Last second. Oh, man. Last second, you're going to realize, oh, I need to swerve, and you don't have enough time to do it. Ooh. So make sure you guys wear full gear, too.
Hold up.
So what I was saying, his right leg, that mechanism injury possibly could have hurt it. Just look at his leg right here. He rubs his leg, that knee. Wear full gear, everybody.